You're listening to a brief excerpt from Interoperability, Implications of Data Exchange for Payers webinar, co-sponsored by LexisNexis Healthcare. During this webinar, Jonathan Shannon, Senior Director Healthcare Strategy, LexisNexis Risk Solutions, provides insights on regulations to support exchange of patient data, outlines components of the Interoperability and Patient Access Final Rule, and offers opportunities for health plans to leverage data to better support their membership and improve business operations.
So Congress passed a law in 2016 under the Obama administration called the 21st Century Cures Act. And Congress, HHS, and ONC have really established a clear direction towards data exchange in healthcare. They were obviously fed up with the status quo and really wanted to change the dynamics to put the power in the hands of a patient or a member to be able to control their data and how it flows within the ecosystem. And so below you can see some quotes that have come out of this regulation around driving the electronic access exchange and use of health information, promoting a patient's control over their own healthcare information, and promoting the secure exchange and use of electronic health information to better support informed decision-making and more efficient healthcare ecosystem. They fundamentally believed that there was means by which we could improve the exchange of data and move beyond the silos of data that exist today. And so, especially for health plans, this last point is incredibly important. CMS began enforcing the requirement for patient access and provider directory APIs on July 1st of 2021. The original plan had been to enforce these in January, but with the impact of COVID, there actually was a pushback on that, and they did not begin the enforcement period until July. And we'll talk a little bit about what that means from a data availability perspective in later slides.
You've been listening to a brief excerpt from the Interoperability, Implications of Data Exchange for Payers webinar presentation. This webinar was co-sponsored by LexisNexis Healthcare and recorded on September 22, 2021. The full webinar included an interactive speaker presentation, audience polls, and Q&A. You can watch the full webinar video by using the link that appears now on your screen.